Hello everyone. I welcome back my new and returning subscribers. I am splendid to see you here in this video again. So this video is on how to make sponge cake, vanilla sponge cake. This sponge cake, it's quite different. It has a different recipe, and this is the recipe I use whenever I want to roast my sponge cake. So let's move straight into it. First and foremost, you have your 2 bowls and your egg. We are separating our egg whites from our egg yolks. You have to be very careful not to break your egg yolk into your egg whites. We need the plain egg whites here. Then immediately start to whip your egg whites, add in your sugar, bit by bit, as you see me doing right here. You can't just pour in your sugar all at once, guys. You have to put this bit by bit and keep mixing it up. Next, you will proceed to add your egg yolks. And I know from this point you're saying, oh yeah, this is a different recipe. I told you it was a different recipe. So you add your egg yolks into your egg white and mix them in. Then next, you proceed to add your flour and baking powder. Yes, you are still going to mix this in. You are not going to fold it in. You're just gonna mix it like fast and furious. Then proceed to add your vanilla flavor and also mix this in. When you're done, you would need to use your spatula to scrape the sides, and yeah, when you're using your spatula, then you have to fold it in. Then proceed to add to your pan. After adding this, you will take this into your oven. Voila, it is done, it is baked, and it looks wonderful. This is how your cake is supposed to look. It's supposed to look as this. This is a normal procedure, just peeling off my parchment paper and proceed to open your cake. Well, I am opening my cake, like slicing it into 2 because, oh my god, look how soft this is. Okay, because I will be using a sugar syrup. Yes, this is the perfect cake to use your sugar syrup because it has no fat in it. And when you put in your sugar syrup in this cake, it won't be soggy. It will be perfect. And it will moisten it more than usual. This is me adding my whipped cream onto my first layer of cake. And I remember, oh my, I didn't add the sugar syrup. I forgot to add the sugar syrup, but I had to keep moving. Decided to add my sugar syrup in the remaining 3 layers. For the first one, well, my bad. There's nothing I can do about it now. Too late. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please do not forget to leave here without subscribing. I would really appreciate you subscribing to my channel, and also do comment down below in the comment section how this recipe worked for you. If you gave it a try, I would really like to see if it worked perfectly for you. And this is me covering my sponge cake, and as you can see, it is as stable as ever. Oh god, guys, this is quite really hard. Trying to ice your cake without a turntable, this is quite hard. And because I've reached this step, I decided, oh, I should just finish it up. I don't need the turntable. I was so lazy to go get it. But it was quite hard. I wouldn't do this again. After piping my whipped cream on top, I am adding the cherry on top of the cake. This looks so wonderful. I don't know. I like the simple decoration, and the red cherry just popped everything up. I freezed this cake for some minutes, I think for an hour, and then it is stable enough for you to slice open. Look how this knife goes through. Oh my god, I'm in love with this cake. Amazing. Look how the fuck walks through. Ugh. Wow, this is nice. Either way, this cake is super moist, and the syrup in it, it's made it sweeter and softer. And for the syrup, I have a recipe on my channel on how to make this simple sugar syrup, so do check that out. I would also leave a link down below in the description box. Do try this recipe out, guys, and if you need the full detailed description, you know where to check. Yup, it is down in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope I see you in my next video. Love you all.